Hey guys, so really quickly I wanted to show you how I clean my lashes after I've removed them. And what I do is I leave them soaking in a solution of alcohol in a repurposed jar. Now, some people say you have to use 99.9% alcohol. I use 70% or whatever I have on hand. And after I take the segment out, I can either dip a lip wand right into the alcohol, pin it down with my wand, and just sort of see how the glue just comes right off. Flip it over, same thing. I also have a small makeup brush that I'll use sometimes if there's glue within the lash segments. So I'll dip that in and then just give it a little brush like so. And once I've removed all of the glue, after I'm done, I will take the segment and just dip it in some clean water and then just set it on the paper towel to dry, and then go on to your next segment. See, the glue just slides right off with the lip wand. So personally, I like to use that. And these are great because they're reusable. You can just clean them and use them again. And remove the back. You can use it on a paper towel, or if you have a microfiber cloth, you can do that as well. And dip them in clean water and then just set them aside to dry.